Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nayan Vasudev Dohale. I am a FY student from SAS Institute of Management. Today's presentation on accounts and its importance financial accounting. Let's start. Why is accounting important? Accounting plays a vital role in running a business because it helps you track income and expenditure, ensure statutory compliance, and provide investors, management, and government with the quantitative financial information which can be used in making business decisions. There are three key financial statements generated by the records. The income statement provides you with information about the profit and loss. The balance sheet gives you a clear picture on the financial position of your business on a particular data. The cash flow statement is a bridge between the income statement and the balance sheet and report the cash generated and the spent during a specific period of time. It is critical you keep your financial records clean and up to date if you want to keep your business afloat. Here are just a few of the reasons why it is the important your business, big or small. Importance of accounting. There are many points in there. First one, to keep systematic records. Second one, to protect business properties. Third, to ascertain the proportional profit or loss. Third, to ascertain the financial position of a business. Next one, importance of accounting for the society. Accounting helps the people understand how to the economic works daily. First one, banks. Second one, vendors. Third one, creditors. And fourth one, society can see how a business is doing financially. Next one, importance of a financial accounting for a company. There are few points. First one, for companies of any size. Second one, for small business owners. Third one, for improving a small business. Then next topic, importance of accounting in health care. Hospitals cost accounting, the healthcare cost accounting is a becoming much more important. Well, a hospital or healthcare facility may create large revenue amount. The cost associated with their the revenue is also large. Without accurate costing, a facility may find a cost overrun and there the necessity to the take drastic action to remain the operations. Then next one, what we learn from this course. The successfully completion of the course students will be able to, first one, describe the accounting information system and external financial reporting process. Second one, analyze the interpret cost information and present this information in a form what is the usable by management. Thank you so much.